Hey guys, here we've got a 2021 Gray Wolf 23MK. We'll take a quick look on the outside. It's got your stable steps, a mini kitchen, large 16-foot awning, outdoor speakers with the TV bracket, two propane bottles, a power tongue jack, and of course your battery and battery box. This unit does have one slide out. It's got your travel rack in the back along with a full-size spare, and it is pre-wired and has the bracket for the optional backup camera. For your mini kitchen here, you've got a mini fridge as well as an ice maker and a shower with hot and cold water. Take a look inside. This is a rear living. It has your sleeper sofa in the back, plenty of windows, and the very large U-shaped dinette is located in the slide out. You got some really deep drawers here. And of course this converts to a bed. This unit will sleep up to 6 people. From the sofa, you've got a really nice view of the TV area, along with the electric fireplace and your stereo. Here in the back of the unit, you've got your control panel. And these Gray Wolves do have enclosed tanks, as well as a black tank flush. It's got a nice faucet and sprayer and a really deep farm style stainless sink. Got a skylight here in the kitchen area. Microwave with a vent hood. Comes with a removable cutting board there. 3-burner cooktop and oven. Got your 11 cubic foot fridge and freezer. This is a really nice black chrome. Go in and check out the bathroom. You have a corner shower with the skylight. You have a linen closet here with some shelving. Electric vent fan. More cabinets and storage over the toilet. And then here's your vanity and sink with a medicine cabinet. Bedroom in the front. And you do have a full walk-around island queen bed. Wardrobe cabinetry. And then next to the bed, you've got your outlet along with USB. And then on your opposite wall, you've got your TV bracket and TV hookups. Again, this is the Gray Wolf 23MK. Come see us at Dalton RV, 706-529-3300.